August 10, 2020. An unprecedented storm, known as a derecho, rips across Iowa. With sustained winds of more than 70 miles per hour and gusts up to 140, the devastating derecho leaves a damage path like that of a 40-mile-wide tornado, causing severe destruction and power disruptions in its wake. Much of central and eastern Iowa is left in a blackout. 500,000 Iowa electricity customers, more than 30% of the state's homes and businesses, in the dark. 2,100 circuit miles of transmission lines, nearly a third of ITC Midwest's entire system, are disrupted. Cedar Rapids takes a direct hit, and ITC Midwest's own employees face damaged, powerless homes and limited communications connectivity, all complicated by the COVID-19 pandemic. And yet, employees rise to the challenge to swiftly restore Iowa's electric transmission system. With ITC's Emergency Operations Center activated, the efforts begin to assess damage and prioritize the response. Wheels start turning to move hundreds of semi-loads of materials. Skilled transmission crews, backed by dozens of ITC Midwest engineers and support employees, begin the 24/7 effort to restore power. An army of hundreds more utility workers from across the country are called in to support the local crews in replacing 1,200 wooden and steel poles. Just 8 days after the massive storm, ITC Midwest achieves restoration of the last lines needed to deliver electricity to local utilities. The communications and coordination between Iowa's hometown utilities is critical to speed this restoration effort. When natural disasters hit our state, it's not only the power lines that are affected, but everyone who relies on power in their daily lives. If we let utilities with no local resources operate transmission in Iowa, our communities could be stuck in the cold or dark for weeks. That's why Iowa's Right of First Refusal policy, or RoFR, is vital to ensure the reliability of our electric transmission system. Every day of the year, Iowa's hometown utility crews are standing ready to restore power. Close collaboration between utilities is essential to ensure power is restored quickly and safely. Iowa needs RoFR to ensure this critical collaboration can continue. A vote for RoFR is a vote for local communities and the Iowa-based utilities that stand behind them, because they're our neighbors too.